Last year, Denver Public Schools ended their partnership with the Denver Police Department. At the time, some felt the resolution was a win, believing by preventing officers from ticketing and arresting students in schools, it would end that school-to-prison pipeline.
But now some of those same people say that win was short-lived. Denver 7's Addie Guajardo breaks down how DPS armed safety patrol officers are increasing rank and power in their latest request.
3 months ago, all 18 school resource officers at Denver Public Schools packed up and left, following a resolution that aimed to pour more resources into mental health and end student policing. Now, the number of armed safety patrol officers is increasing to 22. 4 additional officers will help respond to 200 schools, and they could soon start issuing tickets to students for 16 different low-level offenses.
I don't see the difference. At the end of the day, it's still policing.
DPS argues it's not the same. They say SRO officers were stationed inside schools, while safety patrol officers are dispatched to address safety issues like fights, possession of weapons, and drugs.
That in itself is a direct violation of the resolution.
Elizabeth is the lead organizer with Padres and Jóvenes Unidos. They advocate for education and equality. The organization championed the resolution that ended the contract between the Denver Police Department and Denver Public Schools. Elizabeth says issuing tickets will be taxing on students' mental health, finances, and their future.
It's really harmful to our students just because it can push them into the criminal justice system.
DPS says they're working with the city attorney and the Denver Department of Public Safety to authorize officers to issue tickets. But the Department of Public Safety says the request was approved and finalized back in April. DPS disputes the claim. They say the city attorney's office has yet to finalize the request, adding that it's why they're not issuing tickets. Authorized or not, Padres and Jóvenes Unidos launched a petition to end the criminalization of students.
Our community will be holding them accountable. We are pushing for the safety of our students. We're pushing for our kids to live in a safe, healthy, equitable community.
Addie Guajardo, Denver 7.